files. At the end of this lesson, you are expected to describe the nature and goals of the PhilIRI assessment tool, determine the process of administering the reading inventory, and interpret the results of the reading inventory. Now, let's dive in! The Philippine Informal Reading Inventory, or PhilIRI, is a standardized individually administered tool. Its main goal is to identify students' strengths and needs in areas like word recognition, comprehension, and fluency. The process involves conducting both pre-test and post-test to measure students' progress and effectiveness of interventions. The PhilIRI assesses three main aspects: oral reading comprehension, silent reading comprehension, and listening comprehension. Why is this important? Because strong reading skills are essential for lifelong learning, and assessing these skills helps teachers provide targeted support. Let's walk through how the PhilIRI works in practice. Step 1. Brief the learner. Start by creating a relaxed environment. This helps the student feel at ease and perform naturally. Step 2. Administer the test. Ask some questions that activate the learner's background knowledge, then have them read or listen to the passage. Step 3. Answer comprehension questions. Once the reading is complete, ask multiple choice questions. If the learner says, "I don't know," mark it as such. If they read and answer correctly, note it, but also record it. There are two ways of analyzing results, which are quantitative analysis and qualitative analysis. Now, let's discuss how to analyze the results in quantitative analysis. First, word recognition accuracy. This is calculated by subtracting the number of errors or miscues from the number of words. Divide the result by the total number of words and multiply it by 100. For example, if the passage has 144 words and the student made certain miscues, their accuracy would be about 90.9%. Second, reading speed. Divide the total number of words by the number of seconds spent to read, then multiply it by 6. For example, if the same passage took 92 seconds, the speed would be 93.9 words per minute. Third, comprehension level. This is the percentage of correct answers to comprehension questions. If a student gets 6 out of 7 questions correct, that's 5.7%. Results are then categorized into 3 levels. First, independent. The student reads and comprehends without help. Second, instructional. They need some assistance. Third, frustration. The material is too challenging. Qualitative analysis. The teacher uses a checklist to observe a student's oral reading, errors like pronunciation, omission, substitution, and self-correction. Cues are marked and recorded. These errors are analyzed individually. The teacher also observes the student's reading habits, such as uniform delivery, lack of expression, ignoring punctuation, and pointing at words. This plan targeted reading interventions based on how the misuse impacts